coming soon to own on video cassette. In a world where the fate of humanity is at stake, one family must save us all. Sarah has the experience.
1997 was supposed to be Judgment Day.
Grace has the strength. But can they work together?
No.
And put aside their differences?
I changed the future, saved 3 billion lives. Enough of a resume for you.
With the help of an old friend.
Sarah!
I can see you're very upset.
Join them as they learn the importance of family values and fight like there's no tomorrow. Linda Hamilton.
When this is all over, I am going to kill you.
Mackenzie Davis.
If you don't make it, everybody dies!
And Arnold Schwarzenegger. Terminator. Dark Fate.